Hello boys and girls, I hope you are okay. Before you start your work today, I would like you to watch this video and apply the pointers I'm going to give you. So we've had comprehension questions before, and the first two sections are quite easy. They're recall questions. You look for the information in the text and you just pick it out and you write it as an answer. And everyone's doing really well on these two sections. Here is where it requires a bit more analytical skills. And the best answers are going to explain why you think a certain way. So here, for example, it said, is heaving a good word to describe the sea? And a few of you just put yes or no. Now, I need a little bit more than that. You need to write, yes, it is an excellent word to describe the sea because, and you need to tell me the reasons why it is a good word. If you decide no, similarly, you need to say, no, it is not a good word to describe the sea because. And for example, here, if it says, is this an effective build-up? A yes and no answer doesn't really cut it. I need more thinking from you, and I need you to tell me your thinking because you will have a reason for your answer. So it's just making sure I know that. So is it an effective build-up? You would say yes, because there might be certain vocabulary that's used. For example, there might be onomatopoeia like splash or crash in the opening, and that would be an effective build-up because it would be as though the reader were there and they can visualize being in the sea and how dramatic and violent the sea is being at that point. So you could use vocabulary, you could use other literary devices. Is there a simile that's particularly powerful, or metaphors, or is there a rhetorical question that makes the reader think? If it's not an effective build-up, you need to tell me why. Is the language too simplistic? Does it not mention the five senses? You can't imagine yourself there because you can't see what's happening. So today, what I really want you to focus on when you do your answers is trying to explain your thinking. And I don't want any questions for day 3, 4 that just say yes or no. They need to say yes because, no because. So good luck. I hope you take these pointers on, and I look forward to reading your work. I will see you later. Bye.